Well, hello everyone. I wanted to do a quick teardown of a servo motor. I have two servos here because this one is broken, this one is working, and I wanted to also just prove that. Here I have one of those cheap servo motor testers that I've 3D printed a case for it. And why you not work? There we go. Just for contact. Come on. There we go. And well, this is just spazzing out while the other it's working actually properly. So yeah, let's tear it down, huh? I've actually already tried to open this one up and I've lost a seal, so usually between these are seals to prevent water from going in, at least I think so. Come on. And also the screws have seals, as you can probably see. And here are the insides. Up here we have more seals, a ball bearing, and plastic gears, which is a gearbox for this small motor, which it's basically used as the main drive for what am I trying to explain? Anyways, and right here inside you can actually see a potentiometer, and that's hooked to the main output gear, and that's used to control the position of where the output is gonna be. And it's a small circuit board with two MOSFETs, probably a kind of H drive configuration. Yep, on the other side there's another two, so an H drive. There's also some diodes, probably for back EMF protection, and just a simple driver IC. And yeah, this is what's inside a cheap standard hold on, let me try to open it up more. Might as well, I guess. Let me get one of these. There's another ball bearing here. This is the top of the potentiometer, and there's this one, which is actually pretty hard to get out, but I don't know if you can see, there's a small drive wheel right here, and these are the two screws that keep the motor in. This is the top of the potentiometer, and it just slots in. This is a 90-degree one, I think. And I forgot this one. And this one. Great. Come on. No. Wait. I'm figuring it out, don't worry. I'm a glorified professional, I think. This right here, and then this right here. Yep. See, I told you. The gearbox is actually pretty simple. It's probably I think a 200 to 1 reduction. Maybe. I can't remember the actual specs of this. And the insides are coated in grease. It's just an H drive and a PWM controller basically for these servos, that it's probably mass produced somewhere in China, like everything these days. And right here there's supposed to be a seal. Again, I forgot it. I lost it last time when I tried to fix this servo. I'm probably assuming it's just some loose gears, or maybe the potentiometer got wore down. That's why it's making such ugly noises. But you know. So yeah, this is just a standard servo. Pretty much every one of these is made the same way. Some may have metal gearboxes, which is pretty good. If you can find those, they are more reliable. But you know, they all have the same internal structure, just a motor, a special IC, a PWM input, and a potentiometer to read the angle value. Well, while we're at it, this is also a very simple circuit. It's probably some type of any 555 timer, just with some LEDs and a potentiometer. God damn it. I'll assemble it later. So yeah, just wanted to do a quick video. Again, I'm having some exams, so I can't put on full-length videos, but I do want to put something in the meantime. So yeah, I'll see ya.